guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make crispy Korean fried chicken wings with a honey ginger glaze. We're going to fry them twice and we're going to add these great ingredients. We got some butter, I've got garlic and ginger, some honey, some rice wine vinegar, some tamari or soy sauce, we've got some sugar, and we've got a little bit of Dijon mustard. I've also got some cornstarch. We're going to coat the wings with that. And we've got some salt and pepper. Are you ready to learn? Let's go! First, we're going to turn our pan on and we're going to add our butter. I got a spoon. I got a spoon! I do have a spoon, but we also have some better tools than that. So I'm going to add the butter and we're going to let that melt a little bit. Got a whisk here that'll help us with that. I've got a spatula. We're going to add the ginger and the garlic in. We're going to let that cook a little bit. That'll take some of the bite out of those ingredients. Alright, so now the butter is melted. It's starting to smell real fragrant in here. I see the ginger and the garlic starting to boil in there, and we're going to add the soy sauce. I'm also going to add that honey, and the spatula will help me get the honey out of the bowl since it's kind of thick at room temperature. This is a beautiful local honey, guys. Go local with honey if you can. The closer to your neighborhood, the better it is for you. Alright, so we're going to give that a stir all the way through, all the way around. Let's add some more ingredients. I've got that rice wine vinegar. Let's add that sugar, that way it'll melt. We'll give that a stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir until you cannot see the grains of sugar anymore. Alright, that's starting to boil, bubble. We'll add that to the pot. And we'll let this cook like maybe another 2 minutes. We just want to incorporate all of those ingredients. What we're doing is we're creating a glaze for the end of the, to glaze these chicken wings with. I'm actually going to turn the heat down a little bit. And we'll set these tools aside. All right, so let's get started on the chicken wings. I've got some of the drumsticks. So this is the upper segment. And I've got some of the flaps. This is that second segment. We'll give this a little stir. Starting to thicken up on me. As I'm stirring it, I can see that it's sticking to the bottom of the pot. So we'll go ahead and turn it off. That means that the texture is getting really nice, almost to a nappe texture. You'll know it's nappe if it can coat the back of a spoon. All right, so let's get back to these wings. I've got the drumsticks, I've got the segments. We're gonna season those with salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, whoops. A nice stir. All right, I think I want a little more seasoning on there. All right, guys, take a look at that. All right, So now we're going to add the cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to be what creates that nice crunchy breading on these wings. And we've got 2/3 of a cup of cornstarch in here. And we'll go ahead and stir those up. One of the other things that you can do is you can take your lid on a container like this, and that's really good for getting a nice coating on everything. Just make sure that it's the right lid for the container. All right, so over here on the fryer, my fryer is set to about 325 degrees. And what we're going to do is we're going to fry these in a couple of batches. And I'm going to do maybe 4 drumsticks and 4 flaps. Okay, so we'll do them 8 at a time. And one more. And then we'll go ahead and drop those guys, and we'll let them cook for about 8 minutes. Alrighty guys, here is a close-up of those wings in the fryer. They got a little coating on them. They're doing a lot of frying. Let me show you that sauce. And it's getting nice and thick, okay? Coats that spoon really well. We'll reheat that just before we toss it on the wings. Alright guys, so you see how the wings are starting to float? And this is a great time to check the internal temperature and see what's going on. We're looking for 165 or better. Oh yeah, let's check another one. Oh yeah, those wings are done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn that temperature up and wait for that second fry. Alright guys, so our indicator is telling us that the oil is up to 375 degrees and that it's ready for our second fry. We're going to drop our chicken wings for another 3 to 5 minutes, and that'll help us to get that extra crispy, crunchy coating that we love. Alright guys, you see how the bubbling has slowed down? We're going to go ahead and remove these, and we'll let them drain for just a minute before we coat them with the sauce. Alrighty guys, our wings are ready. They've been draining. Let's heat up the sauce. We'll heat it up for about 2 minutes until it's nice and smooth. And what we're going to do now is we're going to dump the chicken wings into a bowl. And we're going to coat them with our sauce. And then we'll drop them into our bowl. And then we'll garnish them with some sesame seeds. All right, guys, let's see how these wings taste. They're twice fried, Korean style. They've got a beautiful soy ginger glaze on them. Let's see, a little sesame seed garnish. Oh, man. That is delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon here at the Chef's Backyard. Bye-bye.